After Avengers Endgame release, MCU broke all the records. The movie became highest gross movie of all time with 2.79 billion. Today we will discuss about the new release date of Marvel Cinematic Universe upcoming movies, which delayed due to COVID-19 pandemic. All the possible dates of releasing new superhero movies of Marvel Cinematic Universe will be disclosed in today's video. For this delay, 4 movies will be releasing back to back in 2020, which will be awesome for the comic lovers. So don't miss it. Must watch the video till the end. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon next to it, so that the notification of all our videos reaches you first. So viewers, let's get started today's 3-hour Comic Con video. Marvel Studios announced in the last summer about the upcoming movies they have from 2020 to 2022. Accordingly, the movie Black Widow was supposed to be released in May 2020. But due to this epidemic around the world, the date of Black Widow movie has been postponed. Also, some of upcoming movies have stopped shooting. Pre-production or pro-production are also off. And the reason we all know. Normally, Marvel has been introducing a new superhero franchise with sequels to previous movies every year. Phase 4 and Phase 5 also had similar plans. But due to pushing Black Widow and Eternals release date, a lot of big changes are coming in the release date of upcoming movies. So, let's find out the release date of upcoming movies one by one. Number 1. Black Widow. We all know Natasha Romanoff or Black Widow as one of the Avengers. Although more or less all Avengers standalone movies has come out. But Black Widow is not done yet. The Black Widow movie announced in January 2018 that it will release on May 2020. But now due to COVID-19, the new release date is on November 6, 2020, if all things go according to the plan. The trailer has been released a long time ago. Scarlett Johansson will play the role of Black Widow. Taskmaster stays as main villain. Number 2. The Eternals. An immortal alien race created by the Celestials who have secretly lived on Earth for over 7,000 years. Reunite to protect humanity from their evil counterparts, the Deviants. How and why they come, why they were not on such a big stage like Endgame, we will know all the answers in the movie. In Eternals, there are Angelina Jolie, Guy Marchand and many more. The new release date of this movie is on February 12, 2021. Number 3. Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings. We are going to get through the Shang-Chi movie very soon. The first Asian superhero from Marvel, and we have been hearing about Ten Rings through Iron Man movies for a long time. Simu Liu will play the role of Shang-Chi. The new release date of this movie is on May 8, 2021. Number 4. Spider-Man Far From Home sequel. Post-production of the sequel of Spider-Man Far From Home had already started, but is now closed due to COVID-19. So the release date has been pushed to November 5, 2021. Kevin Feige says about this movie that a Peter Parker story that has never been done before on film. Number 5. Thor Love and Thunder. Chris Hemsworth as a Thor and Natalie Portman as a Mighty Thor will be seen in the role in Thor Love and Thunder. The movie will also feature Guardians of the Galaxy stars as well. Shooting will begin in August 2020 in Australia. Release date will be on February 11, 2022. Number 6. Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness will be released as Marvel's first gothic horror movie. Spider-Man director Sam Raimi will direct this movie and Benedict Cumberbatch will be in the role of Doctor Strange as always. In this movie, we will also see Scarlet Witch. This movie will be released on March 25, 2022. We will also get to know that the sequel of Black Panther will be released on 6 May 2022 and the sequel of Captain Marvel will be released on 8 July 2022. Except from the release date, there is no information about these movies now. As soon as we get the update, you will be informed through the new video on our channel. So, in 2022, we will get to watch Thor, Doctor Strange, Black Panther and Captain Marvel back to back. So friends, that's it for today. In which topic would you like to see our next video? Please mention in the comments below. We will certainly come out another video of your choice. If you like our video today, then don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe it. 3R Comic Con is signing off for today. Till then, Avengers Assemble!